Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to VidIQ for keyword research and video SEO, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with VidIQ for keyword research and video SEO, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the VidIQ website. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling out the necessary information, click on the Sign Up button again to proceed. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the VidIQ website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the VidIQ dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools. To start using keyword research, navigate to the Keyword Research tool in the menu. In the Keyword Research section, enter a keyword or phrase related to your video topic in the search bar. Click on the Search button to generate keyword suggestions. Review the keyword suggestions, paying attention to metrics such as search volume and competition. Select keywords that align with your video content and have a favorable search-to-competition ratio. Take note of the keywords you wish to target in your video. Next, explore the video SEO options available on VidIQ. Upload your video to YouTube if you haven't done so already. Once uploaded, head back to VidIQ and use the SEO features to enhance your video's description, tags, and title. Incorporate the selected keywords into your video title and description for optimal visibility. Optimize your tags by including the primary keywords and related terms. Finally, save the changes to your video settings on YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.